Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I'm working on, continuing to work on the Nomad. So this is how the little um, 3D printed screen uh, and control board bracket comes in. So I noticed a couple little things when I go to put this part in here. It is not wanting to go on there, so I'm going to take a little this little stepper bit and clean that out a little bit so it actually sits in there, because there's no way that is sitting flush right now. No, that's not going anywhere. So that one needs to be reamed out. So I know I need to fix that, and then on this little bracket here, it's going to be, see, this is up. This goes like this, and I know this, sorry, this one here is just a little bit off. Maybe I can bend it in. Let's see if I need to bend it or if not. This actually faces, let's see. Okay, so this sits like this, and that's top. The screen goes like this, and that means this goes like this, and this goes under here like this. And let's see if we can lock that in place. Okay, so it looks like I am able to get that to, see, that's what I thought. This little spot right here, oh, I don't like flipping this around so much. Okay, so this is the hole right here. I noticed before that it's a little bit off, so I need to shave a little bit off of this side here. The rest of the holes seem to line up rather nicely. So I don't know why that one's a little bit off. I already let Console 5 know that I was a little bit disappointed in that. But, c'est la vie, first time out, not too bad. So, this is high tech. This is real high tech how you do this. And this is, let's see, where is my files? Here they are. So, go. This is very delicate, high-tech procedure for modifying this. I believe I picked these files up from Harbor Freight with a coupon. Let's see. Again, I'm gonna pull off the, is this an up or an out? That's an out, okay. Get that screen out of the way a minute. One, two, okay, get in there. It's pretty good. Now you can see it's just had the file a little bit off there. So now that's sitting in there right where it should. Alright, so next up we're going to have to I'm going to clear out that one little spot here. Put this aside a minute. It definitely doesn't sit flat. Nope. Alright. Maybe I'll do a little bit of old-fashioned filing again. Let's see, where is my round file? Round file. Let's see. Here's a round one. These are needle files, very handy. It's nice, it's an assortment of 12 different files. Nice view of my garbage can. And the remnants of me working on some controllers. See if that's any better. Closer. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second and get my stepper bits. So I did modify that hole there so it actually sits flush. Next thing I need to do is this plastic screen actually is going to get replaced with a glass one. Usually you can press these out. Sometimes they come, sometimes they don't. This one doesn't want to come up very easily, so I'm going to gently, I'll leave that on there. See if I can get a spudging tool in there. Usually these pop right out. This one doesn't want to come. The glue held up well. Wow, it doesn't want to break the seal. There we go. Let's use a spudging tool. There we go. Break that seal. There we go. Problem is you're dealing with materials that all have about the same strength, so you don't want to accidentally crack the plastic of the housing. There we go. Okay, it's that edge. Let's get in here and get this edge seal broken. starting to get that. The adhesive is actually really good on this particular screen. This cover, I should say. A lot better than usual. Somebody was awake at Sega when they put this screen on. Okay, so that's the old plastic screen. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put this aside. I'm going to put the screen aside for now, and just work on. Next up, we have to work on the put new capacitors on here. So I kind of put a bunch of stuff aside. And sorry, I'm jumping around a little bit, but it's a lot easier to do it this way. This is the glass screen cover. I'm not going to put that on yet. That's the Jaguar. Where is it? Well, I'm going to pause for now, get all my stuff in line, and start replacing some of the caps on here. So, I do have a big box of parts kicking around, and I'm going to sort those out in a minute and jump back in and do some cap work. If I don't do another video, thanks for watching for now. It's this Friday afternoon right now. Should have some more time later this evening to start working on the recapping. So that's it for now, and hopefully I'll post another video later. Thanks. Bye.